What's up, YouTube? It's your OG music head, Dosh John, man. And today, guys, we coming back with you with another reaction video. Hold on. I think I hear something up front. Hold on. I just seen a FedEx truck going up the street. Oh, but looky what we got here. I guess we're not going to be doing the reaction today, but not right now anyway. Let's get into it. Let's try this again. What's up, YouTube? It's your OG sneakerhead, Dosh John, man. And today, guys, got a little surprise. Like we got a couple of unboxings. Some just got dropped off in the mail. Let's check it out. If I can find my knife. Let's see what the first little baby package is. Got some mystery boxes today, guys. Oh, okay. Got the outer box for my phone. My belt clip, the last one snapped, so I had to order a new one. It came pretty quick. Let's get to the kicks. I don't know what these are. I'm gonna just open them up, see what's good. By the way, man, somebody got a birthday this month, man. Me and Mom Dukes ready to celebrate. She has something coming up soon. Let's out the gate. Let's see what these is. I think I know what these is. These are like a 3-box. They had a shock drop. Dick's Sporting Goods had a shock. Shout out to Sneaker Sluts, man. You know they got the 411 for you. This sneaker box read Air Jordan 3 Retro SE. Colorway reads white, fire red, black. 10.5. This is a personal size, but I don't think I'll be holding on to these with the whole corona. I just got off distance learning. We're working online. I'm a photographer. There's no need to get in. I'm not going to the clubs no more. Not taking pictures in the clubs. I mean, I can sit on so much stuff. I ain't haven't even popped the tags yet, but they will be going up. There you have it, man. Fresh. Man, these bad boys are clean, guys. They sell themselves, man. They did a shock drop. I was able to see that outer sole, what we call in the hood the bottom. Nice mid sole right there, man. All white. Got that denim fabric right there. Like go with a pair of black or gray jeans. It might be hard to match that gray up, but I just don't want the black jeans with them. See that nice tumble leather right there, man. It feel buttery. It feel pretty good. More denim right here around your laces. Just standard white around your front laces. Nice white tongue, soft leather. Look at that white stitching around there, man. These things, the camera really don't do them justice, guys. These things are clean, man. One piece really got my attention is, I don't know if you see the translucent Jumpman in there. Stand off on the side, yeah. Very nice touch, man. I don't know. I might have to hold on. They might do numbers on the strength of that. I don't. Let me comment down below. Let me know if this is the first time they ever did this. The Jumpman and the Nike Air sign on that ass, man. Let me know. Got your black mid, nice white air bubble on the inside. Red Nike. Your gray on the toe box. Cushiony tongue, man. Ankle support, but I have the Katrinas and this is gray, this is red on Katrinas. They look pretty similar. No reason for me to, only reason why I hold on to these is this. Love the translucent Jumpman on that ass, man. That is pretty dope. The Tokyo Chinese ones, those are also nice. This is written in like some Asian language on those. White sock liner, shoe liner, foot liner. You want cushion, inside cushion. See it comes out. Standard shoe tree. Sock liners in there, man. White, nice white shoestrings. And there you have it, guys. Red Jumpman, that's stitched in there. See if you get a good look at that one. It's a stitched Jumpman. Michael Jordan stitched up, man. Clean, clean, clean. Not so much a fall shoe. This is a nice sunny day. Wouldn't be so bad. Oh, sorry. Like I said, distance teaching, guys. Yeah. Not so much a fall shoe, but nice sunny day like today with the right gear with it. Pull it off, man, because they Jordans and they clean. You know. There you have it, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Like I said, October, man, this is my month. This is my favorite time of year. This is my birth season. And we're just gonna enjoy it, man. So, more videos to come. All right, until next time, remember, have your age, not your shoe size. My shoe size is actually, like I said, 10.5. I was pretty mature at 10 and 11 years old. You know, I was still a kid, but at your age, not your shoe size, guys. Until next time, stay safe, mask up, keep the hands out your face. Comment down below if you watch the debates, man. Who you think won? Are you a Democrat or Republican? Let us know. All right, take care. God bless. Peace.